Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a PDF file using your Visual Basic Windows Form application. For this we are going to use a third-party DLL which is called iTextSharp, which is widely used to create PDF file using .NET applications as well as Java applications. So let's get started and let's first download the DLL called iTextSharp DLLs. So just open your browser and in your search just write iTextSharp and search for this. And the first link you will see here is the site or the link from sourceforge.net/project/iTextSharp. So this is the link you want to open in order to download the DLL files for iTextSharp. Okay, so when you click this link it will open the site like this, and we just need to click this download button in order to download these DLL files, and it will take hardly 1 minute or 30 seconds to download these files. So once you have downloaded these files, I have already downloaded these files, so these zip file look like this, and this zip file also contains several zip files. So it contains the iTextSharp core projects, and it also contains the DLL files from iTextSharp. And what DLL files we are interested in is in this iTextSharp -DLL -core folder and iTextSharp -DLL -PDF FA folder, and in this iTextSharp -DLL -extra zip folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my project. This is not a necessary step, but I prefer to do this, and I will just right click my project in my Solution Explorer, and I will click this open folder in Windows Explorer, and this will open a folder in which my project, this Visual Basic project, is there. And in here what I'm going to do is I'm going to just open the zip file which contains the iTextSharp DLL, and I will just extract this DLL file in my Visual Basic project folder, right? So iTextSharp.dll and iTextSharp.xml file. Now I will open this iTextSharp -dll -pdf a, and I will extract this into my Visual Basic folder. So I will just do this, and one more zip file which is iTextSharp -dll -extra, and I will extract this also in my Visual Basic project folder. Okay, now once this is done, we just once again go to our project, and in here once again we will go to the Solution Explorer and right click our project, and in here this time we will open this properties here. You can either open properties or you can say I want to add references. So let's open the properties here, and this will open this property tab here. And what you want to do is you want to add resources. So just go to this resources tab here and just say add resources. Okay, and there are some options, so you can say add existing resources, or and this will open the open file dialog to select your resources. So just open the folder in which you have extracted your DLL files, and we have extracted our DLL file in our project folder itself. So I'm going to choose my DLL files from here, which is iTextSharp.dll, iTextSharp.pdf, iTextSharp.pdf.dll and iTextSharp.extra.dll. Okay, I choose all three of them and add it as a resource here. Okay, now once this is done, I will just close the property tab from here and I will reach to my project form here. So what I will do now is I will try to generate a PDF file using these DLL. So I will take a button and I will change its text as create PDF. Okay, and I will just double click this button and in here we are going to write our code. Okay, so first of all we need to import some resources or some classes of these iTextSharp. So what you need to do is, so we are going to import these iTextSharp file here, but first of all we need to add references to these DLL files. So I will right click my project once again and I will say add references, and in here I'm going to go to this browse tab, and in here I have my all DLL files, iTextSharp.dll, iTextSharp.pdfa.dll and iTextSharp.extra.dll once again, and I will select all these DLL files once again and I will press OK, and this will add a reference to these DLL files in our project. Okay, now we are ready to import these iTextSharp file. So just go at the top of your code file and just add these three imports here, which are imports iTextSharp.text.pdf and just import iTextSharp.text, and third import is imports system.io. Okay, so these two are from the iTextSharp DLL and this is from your Visual Basic Code library. Okay, once you are done with that, once again go to your button and double click it, and in here we are going to write a code to generate a PDF. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first paste the code, which is very simple. So this is the code to generate a PDF file of 2 pages. Okay, so what you need to do in your button click event is to declare a variable for the document. So just write dim PDF doc as new document, and in the second line just declare a second variable called PDF write as a PDF writer instance. So just write dim PDF write as PDF writer is equal to PDF writer dot get instance, and just copy this PDF doc instance from here or PDF doc object from here and paste it inside this bracket as a first argument, and the second argument is the new file stream. So just write new file stream, and in the bracket just give the name of your PDF file, whatever you want your file to be. So this is the name for your PDF file. I have given the name to my PDF file as simple.pdf comma file mode dot create. Okay, so write this line, and then in the third line we are going to open our document. So in the third line just write this PDF doc dot open. This will open your PDF document, and now once the document is open we are going to add some paragraph to our document. So just write PDF doc dot add, and in the bracket just write new paragraph, and in the bracket just write the text you want to save in your PDF file. Okay, so this will just add a paragraph to your PDF file. Now suppose you want to add a second page, So for adding the second page, what you need to do is you need to write once again your pdf.doc dot new page. So this line will create a new page for the PDF. Okay, and once again to our new page we are going to add a new paragraph. So just write pdf.add, and in the bracket just write new paragraph, and in the bracket just write the text in your second page, whatever you want to write. And once you are done with writing the text, just close your PDF document instance. So this is the code to create a simple PDF of 2 pages. Okay, now let's try and to run the program, and let's check whether it creates the PDF file or not. So first of all, what I'm going to do is, if you are wondering where this file is generated, so this simple .pdf file will be generated in your binary folder, wherever your executable file for your project is there, because I haven't given any path to this file. Or you can give any path, for example c dot slash slash, or whatever path wherever you want to generate your file. So I just wanted to generate the file in my project folder itself. So I will just go to my solution explorer once again, and I will right click it, and once again I will click open folder in Windows Explorer, and in here I'm going to open my binary folder, which is bin folder. And in here I have debug folder because I'm making this project in debug mode. And in here you can see all my 3 DLL files are there, and here my new simple.pdf file will be generated when I run the program. So just keep on keep your eye on this folder. So I'm running this project, and I'm opening this folder, so you can see the file generated in front of your eyes. Okay, so I will just click this create PDF button and just see here. I'll click it, and you see here there is a new PDF file created here, which is simple.pdf. Now we are going to open this PDF file, and when you open this PDF file, you can see there are 2 pages generated, 1 and 2, if you can see here. And in first page we have written the simple text hello world, and in the second page we have written hello world again. So the iTextSharp DLL has generated 2 pages for us. Yeah. For first page we have the text hello world, which is this text, if you can see here, and second page has hello world again. Okay, so in this way you can create a simple PDF file with the help of your iText and your Visual Basic Windows Form application. In the future videos I will also show you how to add tables, images, and some more interesting stuff to your PDF file using iTextSharp. So stay tuned, and please rate, comment